Hey everyone, today we are going to show that how can we increase our VRAM of MSI B450 motherboard and B450 Pro M Max. This is my motherboard and CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 5600G with Radeon graphics Vega 7. Okay, we will increase our VRAM from the BIOS. To get the BIOS, we can restart our PC and then press delete key several times, and after that we will get this interface. Okay, now we are going to increase our VRAM of our integrated Vega GPU Vega 7. Okay, to increase our VRAM we have to go advanced, then here this interface will come, then we have to go settings. Okay, then here advanced, then here integrated graphics configuration, then here it's maybe disabled sometimes, or if it's having disabled you have to click on here and click to force. Okay, after that the UMA frame buffer size, how much UMA buffer size you want, you can get from here. Okay, I have the 16 GB RAM and that's why I am using 4 GB Vega 7 integrated graphics. Okay, after that just we have to save our configuration. To save our configuration we just click on cross, and that it says that UMF RAM buffer size 2 GB to 4 GB. Are you yes or no? I'm clicking yes, and that's it will get restart, and after that the Vega RAM will be increased. Now my PC has restarted and I'm showing you the task manager, then performance, then AMD GPU. Here is the 4 GB. Okay, that's I have increased my VRAM. Okay, when I have did it 4 GB, my RAM consumption has decreased 4 GB because my 4 GB RAM comes in GPU, dedicated GPU memory in 4 GB. Hope that's you fix the problem. Thanks for watching.